Hello students, today we are going to talk about measurement of weight. Firstly, things to understand. Number 1, we can find a thing is heavier or lighter by measuring the weight. Number 2, a heavier thing has more weight and goes down in a balance than that of a lighter thing. Number 3, we use different weights and balances to measure the weight of things. Now, here are some standard weights of 1 kilogram, 500 grams, 200 grams and 100 grams. Always remember, 1 kilogram equals 1000 grams. Now, tell me which one is heavier, a football or a cup? Yes, since the football part is down on the balance, football is heavier. Similarly, tell me what is the weight of the orange? Yes, the weight of the orange is 200 grams, as you can see on the standard weight. Lastly, let's know about conversion of grams and kilogram. So, we know that 1 kilogram equals 1000 grams, and likewise, 4 kilograms equals 4 times 1000 grams, which equals 4000 grams. Basically, kilogram times 1000 equals to grams and grams divided by 1000 equal to kilogram. Well, this is all for the measurement of weight. Thank you.